Today I'm working on a 1960s drunken sailor down the hatch toy by Roscoe. Roscoe, and he's just cute as the dickens.
Down is all around, such a miserable man. Uptown, downtown, all around, what a miserable man.
I just picked him up a couple of days ago. He is battery operated and he doesn't work. Why doesn't he work? Let's find out. Let's start with the first piece of evidence. This belongs in his battery box. When I picked him up at the antique store, it was laying by his feet. It doesn't belong there. I'll show you what else, or what's more. He has some loose wires, and I can't get in to his battery box. Yeah, for some reason, that hatch is stuck in place. Look at that. If I force it, the tin is gonna break. It's gonna split, just like that. Sad. I'm gonna try putting some light machine oil on that hinge to see if it doesn't break free. And just like that. It looks like all I'll really have to do in here is freshen up those battery terminals a little bit, you know, clean them up to ensure optimum conductivity. This switch is super loose. I don't think it's gonna work, so I'm gonna take it off and see what I can do with that. Is this a fun video? This would have never worked off the switch. There's way too much corrosion and that needs to be cleaned off. Conductivity again. Okay, the switch is back in place and now it's perfect. It has a little click to it. So we're just about to the end of the problems list. The problems that this guy had that are keeping him from working, that are keeping him from entertaining me. These two wires are the only two wires that are loose. So I'm thinking that they get attached together. Just gonna insulate these ends, these bare wires, with a couple of pieces of black electrical tape, just for now. I'll clean it up later. I just want to see this thing work, hopefully. I actually walked down to the store this morning to get some brand new D-cell batteries. I don't usually go to the store. I try to avoid that at all costs, but hey, that's what I did. Let's get them in there now. Fresh new batteries? They always say to use brand new batteries with these things and they'll work optimally. Brandy new. Make sure he's off. I don't want to ruin the surprise. Alright, I'm just about ready to switch him on to see if he works. Now, I'm not going to clean him. I'm not going to clean his face, his clothes, everything. I fell in love with him just the way he is. And he's going up on my shelf. I really don't expect much from him. If he doesn't work right now, I'm not cutting off his clothes, going inside, playing with the motors, greasing things up, taking all old lubrication off. None of that. He's going to stay exactly as he is. I'm just hoping to get a little something. Just a little bit of life. You going to give me a little bit of life? I'm going to switch it on. Man, he sounds awful, doesn't he? I love it. There it is. The motor and all of its goings on. Okay, let's get some oil where it need be. I know I said I wouldn't, but I did. As you saw, I went inside and I did fiddle with the motor a little bit and gave it a good oiling. I had to. I mean, come on. Let's see what happens. There you have it, my 1960s down the hatch drunken sailor. Thank you for watching.